Hi everyone, it's Sheila and welcome to my channel, Face and Fashions. On my channel, I like doing unboxings from different subscription services. So if you like unboxing videos, please consider subscribing down below. I would love to have you join me. And to my returning subscribers, as always, thank you and welcome back. Now for today's video, it's going to be nice and short and sweet. And it is going to be my summer Walmart beauty box. Now, for those of you who don't know that Walmart has a beauty box, they do. It only comes out 4 times a year, so it's seasonal, spring, summer, fall, winter, and it only costs $5. That's just to pay for the shipping. So you usually get like 4 to 5 items in here for $5. So it's really a fantastic little box to get. But I wanted to share something. They sent me an email. They are changing some stuff, so I wanted to let you guys know about that. And here is what they said in their email. It said, "Hi Beauty Box subscriber. Sometimes we all need a little makeover, right? We think so too. And that's why we are revamping our beauty boxes to make it even better experience for you. Since we will be making some changes over the next couple of months, we will not be sending out our official summer box. We are excited to announce that your new beauty box will be on its way this August." So what happens next? In mid-August, you will receive an email saying that your fall beauty box is in the works. Shortly after that, your box will be shipped. The only thing left to do is enjoy trying your fall beauty products just in time for the new season. So I called this my summer box, and I think everybody else is calling it the summer box, but it's really the spring box. So just so you know, they are going to be revamping it. I don't know exactly what that means. Is it going to be better products? Stay tuned. In mid-August, they should be coming out, and you will be seeing them right in that area. So here is everything in my box this month. And we're going to start at the very top, and this is Calm, and this is a magnesium supplement, and it is a raspberry lemon flavor. And I believe this is good for calming your nerves. And what it says start by placing 1 packet into a cup or mug, add 2 to 3 ounces of warm water, and let your drink fizz. Stir the drink until powder is completely dissolved. Then fill the remainder of the cup with warm or cold water. Now experience calm. Okay, so very good. Raspberry lemon flavor is delicious. Okay, so we'll put that back there. Let me clear out a little spot over here. I always forget to do this part, and then I'm stuck doing it during the video. You think one day I'll get organized. Okay, so you got the Calm supplement there. And then right here, they're just talking about available at Walmart's, and it's saying de-stress for a moment of calm. So I'll put that back there. And then the next item out is a toothbrush from ELLE. And this says, this is a charcoal infused tapered bristle brush. And it's naturally friendly, BPA-free toothbrush, and it's soft. It says, "Hello to maximum brushing happiness. This thoughtfully designed toothbrush features soft, precision-tapered bristles infused with charcoal from bamboo, and the super comfy handle is BPA-free for extra friendliness. Your mouth will thank you." So there we go. We got a toothbrush. And then the next item out is this, and this is, oh, very good. This looks really good. Dickinson's Hydrating Toner, alcohol-free. And it says, "This toner with rose water soothes and moisturizes skin as it cleanses and refines pores. Our exclusive witch hazel plant extract is distilled for purity and enhanced with hyaluronic acid and vitamin E to gently nourish and hydrate even sensitive skin without alcohol." In the directions for this, it says use daily after cleansing and before applying moisturizer and makeup. Moisten a cotton ball or pad and apply to face and neck. So after you wash your face, but before you put anything else on. This really helps clean your face, so good toner. And then we have something else from ELLE, and this is ELLE, and this is hemp seed and coconut oil, extra freshening fluoride-free toothbrush or toothpaste. So this will go with the ELLE toothbrush. So they have a nice little set there. So they give you some toothbrush and toothpaste. So that's pretty awesome. And then I have gotten this before, and this is Degree Ultra Clear Black and White deodorant. And it is dry spray and it dries very clear. I have used this, so I like that in the summertime. And we have one more lip product, and this is from NYX, and it says hashtag this is everything lip oil. Now I'm going to open this up even though I have lip product on. Okay, finally got it open. They do not make this easy, but this says NYX this is everything lip oil. And this is a beautiful, beautiful light pink, great for summertime. Well, let's see. If you can see, it's a very light pink gloss. So if I put it on here, it just blended with everything I already had on, so it's hard to tell, but that will definitely be usable. Okay, so here is my Walmart box. If you guys are interested, I will leave the link to order the Walmart box down in the description box. Like I said, it's only $5. It's good to know they're revamping it. What exactly does that mean? I don't know, but stay tuned. Okay, I hope you guys like my Walmart spring or summer box. And let's stay tuned until the fall. And if you guys are liking my videos, please click like and subscribe. And until next time, guys, I'll see you later.
Fun, 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 fun. Yeah, 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 yeah.